the directives which have been given with regard to restoring sanity on our roads, we shall not backtrack. And so I'd like to communicate to the operators of the vehicles that we have licensed them to make sure that they operate public transport. By them not being on the road, they are giving the message that they do not require those licenses. And so, as a government, we shall be, through NTSA, immediately review the licenses of those vehicles and circles which are not operating as of now. Because it clearly demonstrates that if you've been given a license and you're not utilizing that license, then you don't require that license. When we have shortage of public transport, it is not a license for an operator to increase the fares. So, the same way we are looking at licenses, we shall be looking at the operators who have hiked the fares. The directives given, whether it's uniforms by the drivers, the conductors, whether it's about the speed limiters or governors, whether it's about the yellow line, we are not going to backtrack on that. And the condition of the vehicles, because Kenyans have suffered long enough. You are aware last year, December last year, many of us never had our Christmas because every day was breaking news, horrible breaking news, vehicles crashing and so forth. We do not want to repeat that. And this, what we are doing now, it will be a permanent feature of our way of life.